Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't really know where to start. I'm bad with Australian accents. I don't know how to do them.
Just try, okay?
You have to try first.
To do what?
Just try to do an American accent.
Hello.
I feel like I'll offend you if I even try. I can't do accents.
Just,
I
I
can't,
can't even.
I can't even. I'll just start laughing.
Okay, just add like to everything.
I don't know. Your accent is just so cute. You should do it.
I can't.
Do your own accent. Awkward silence. You just commented on one of my YouTube videos. I just got a notification. What the heck?
I'm about to die.
I want to see the captions you do for this one. Just like insert Australian accent and American accent here.
Oh
my god. I can, my cheeks hurt. And are you hitting them?
Yeah. Let's go over to our lives.
Oh no. Just sit online all day. That's what we do. I can just imagine the captions you create for this just being us all laughing. I'm coughing again. Oh my. It's already been 3 minutes. The recording has. Oh my god. I'm just gonna end it. Okay.